Now, what are the sources of data? How do we get them? For this, we have to understand that there are two sources of data, the primary source and the secondary source. As far as the primary source is concerned, this is the first hand information. That is to say, a person, an individual tries to collect information by himself and by appointing few people. And this data is exclusively for his own use in the beginning. That is, it is his requirement. He wants it and thus he collects the information in that manner. But sometimes there is that we need certain data, we do not have the time or money and it is available. So, we use the second kind of data which is called as the secondary data. This secondary data, we can process it by the agency, by any agency. Now, the basic difference here remains is that this primary data is meant exclusively for a particular thing, for a particular information, for a particular person, for a particular individual, whereas the secondary data is the one which has already been used and now we are reusing this data to gather some more information. Thus, this primary data will be more time consuming, will need more time, but this will be the first hand information. This will give us accurately what we are looking forward to, because we will be collecting our data on the basis of the information that we want to gather. Whereas, in this secondary data, whatever is available to us, we will have to make use of that. So, this data can be reliable or it cannot be. It could be useful to us or could not be useful to us, but we have to make use of this secondary data. Most of the secondary data is available on the websites that we have. So, thus those saves our time and money, but it could not be accurately exactly the same information that we are looking forward to.